Hi, today we are going to introduce a small snake species which is not common everywhere. The special feature of this snake is people will often confuse whether it is a snake or a worm. Already we have explained about one worm species, that is Brahmini blind snake, which moreover look like a worm but which is a snake. And today we are going to discuss about a different worm snake. Take a look. So here beautiful another worm snake. You can see very active. So this worm snake, it is a snake, not a worm. Usually worms are invertebrates, whereas snakes are vertebrates which have a spine. So here you can see the snake. Unlike worms, it gives exactly the snake's movement, peculiar movement. Worms usually crawl, but snake, it is different. You can see. This snake approximately measures about 5 inches in size, that is length. And while comparing to the Brahmini blind snake is very slim, that is slender body, thin, and so Brahmini's body, it is moreover like a ballpoint pen's refill size. That much is the thickness. Whereas this worm snake, it is entirely different from Brahmini blind snake, because this snake's eye, though it is very small, but it is very clear to our naked eye. We can see it. And in India, approximately 4 to 5 species of worm snakes have been identified and have been classified. But still lot more are there to be identified. Researchers have to improve informations about these snakes, need more research about these kind of worm snakes. In Kerala, people believe that this snake is a venomous species and they call it as Iruthala Koli, whereas they say Iruthala means two-headed. This particular snake's head and tail look like same. So that is the reason they call it as Iruthala Koli. You can see the head and the tail both look alike, but still if you look, you can clearly differentiate. This is the head part and this is the tail one. So it is very clear and commonly seen in the field or in the agricultural land where the hen and rooster mainly feed on them. So this is a harmless snake, totally harmless, doesn't have any venom, no need to fear or kill. People believe that this snake will go into their ears and kill them, but that is wrong. No such cases were reported anywhere. So please don't harm them. If you see nearby your house or in the field, let them go. These lovely creatures mainly feed on termites, eggs of ant and small other living beings. So saying about the reproduction, these snakes are oviparous in nature, egg laying. So such a beautiful creature. Thank you for watching the video.